Now we are asked to create a bus object for this vehicle class, which is going to inherit all the variables and methods that are defined in this vehicle class. Okay, and you can start displaying it. Clear? So let us basically write another class and apply the concept of inheritance. Okay, because clearly shown here, bus object that will inherit all the variables and methods of the parent class. Okay, so we can start implementing a new class called bus. Okay, class bus, which is inherited from class vehicle. Okay, which is inherited from class vehicle. So you can just make use of this pass. Okay, because I want to inherit whatever is available in the parent class. Okay, everything I'm going to inherit with the help of inheritance concept. So that is all the variables and methods that are defined inside this vehicle class are now inherited as part of the bus class. Okay, and remember, this vehicle is a parent class and bus is a child class. Okay, so for example, I want to write here some like school bus. Okay, and now you can start initializing this bus class. Okay, so whatever object that I have created is school bus object, and consider the model. Okay, that is name of the bus is Volvo. Okay, and maximum speed, let us suppose maximum speed is limited to 180, and consider the mileage is 12. Okay, now you can start displaying these details. So for example, print. Okay, so we can write vehicle name, right? We can start displaying a vehicle name here, so which is school bus is the name of the object, right? You can make use of this object dot its corresponding attribute, that is name. Okay, clear? So in the same way, you can also display vehicle corresponding other details. Okay, let us suppose vehicle maximum speed, vehicle speed. Okay, that is maximum. So we can write vehicle corresponding maximum speed here. Okay, so instead of name, this must be max speed. Okay, now similarly, we can consider displaying the mileage of the vehicle. Okay, so vehicle mileage will be again displayed using school bus dot mileage. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. Okay, vehicle name is clearly Volvo. Okay, vehicle maximum speed is 180 and vehicle mileage is 12. Okay, so this is how you can display. Similarly, you can create another object. You can initialize the details like attributes of the vehicle class, because the same thing is available here inside the bus class, as bus is inherited from the vehicle class. Okay, so for example, if I want to modify here, let us suppose I have modified this to 15 and this is modified to 150. Let us suppose the same details. Okay, whatever you pass here, the same thing will be displayed here, isn't it?